Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I have something a little bit different for you guys, a different unboxing. This is by Beauty Expert and it is their gold edition. Monica from Beauty Wonderful Time, she told me about this bag and I checked it out online and I kind of liked it, so I got it and I wanted to share it with you guys. Beauty Expert is an online company based out of England and they sell luxury brands. It kind of reminds me of either Look Fantastic or Beautylish. So when Monica told me about it and I saw it online, this is something that I wanted to try. It is their limited edition box or bag, and I don't know how long it will stay out, so I just wanted to let you know they do have some nice things in here. It's called the gold edition and all the products have gold in them. Here's the bag right here, and you can see it does say Beauty Expert in gold, and it's a really nice big size bag. I mean, you could put a whole bunch of stuff in here. This bag has 6 products in here and it costs $127. I know that's a little bit pricey than the Derm Store monthly subscription box or even the Look Fantastic one. But this one here, you're getting one product in here I know that costs $225. So I think that's a pretty good deal. It does take a while for it to get here to the States. It took probably about 10 days and free shipping. So that is a really good deal here. There are 6 products in here and this bag costs $127. And you get products here worth over $350 US. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this bag and see what's worth over $350. It comes zippered. And there is the bag. Nice size bag. You can fit a whole lot of stuff in here. Okay, it comes with this little pamphlet here. I know, sorry about the lighting. So it says here, the Book of Beauty, the Gold Edition, Beauty Expert. So it tells you what's in here and also gives you a little description. All right, let's pull out this first product here that I know costs $225. This is the Aroma Visca. So this little bottle costs $225. This is called the Gold Flash Firming Serum. A product that has truly achieved the gold standard in skincare is the Gold Flash Firming Serum from Hungarian luxury brand Aroma Visca. I believe that's how you say it. An oil-free formula that contains not only colloidal, I think that's the word, it's so small, colloidal, I believe that's the word, gold, but also vitamin C. This serum promotes the production of collagen, actively brightens and reduces the visible signs of aging. Apply twice daily after the cleansing routine. So I cannot wait to try this. This by itself for $225, this better pull some magic stuff on me. But this is a luxury brand and some of the stuff that I have tried from this has been really nice. So I can't wait to try this. So this pretty much covers the price of the bag. Alright, let's go in with this one right here by Kerastase. This one's already opened. Another gold item in here, and it comes in a glass bottle. This is the Ultimate Gold Elixir. We've included the iconic Kerastase Ultimate Gold Elixir in the gold edition to add a touch of luxury to your hair care routine. Enriched with an exquisite blend of argan oil and maize oils, this luxurious leave-in hair oil can be used before cleansing, as a pre-blow-dry treatment, or as a finishing oil. Suitable for all hair types, this smoothing treatment will help to minimize frizz, boost shine, and add nourishment to long summer days. Summer is almost over, but here in North Texas, it does get hot, so this is really nice. I've tried this brand before, and I really do love Kerastase. All right, next you have Peter Thomas Roth, the 24 karat gold mask. This is really nice. I've tried this one before. This is 50 mils, 1 ounce in here, and it says, what could be more opulent than a gold face mask? The experts at Peter Thomas Roth have formulated a potent 24 karat gold elixir that acts as a plumping, energizing treatment for all skin. Harnessing the power of colloidal gold, I hope I'm saying that word right. Supplementary ingredients include radiance boosting, hyaluronic acid, and caffeine. So this is really nice. Another gold item in here. All right, here, this is by Nux. This is the shimmering oil. This one, very shimmering, glittery, and gold, of course. It says here, the Nux Shimmering Dry Oil is a nourishing, multi-purpose dry oil that can be used on the face, body, and hair. It's a miracle product that sinks in quickly, softens, and conditions without leaving residue behind. Plus, it smells divine. Contains 95% natural ingredients. Enjoy the 7 precious botanical oils, including sweet almond oil, love almond oil, hazelnut oil, and macadamia oil. This world-renowned hair and body illuminant and liquid highlight is the perfect golden touch to the gold edition. I do have one like this, but it's not the shimmering one, so this will be a nice addition. Again with the gold. Alright, next you have something from Skin Chemist. This is Pro 5 Collagen Gold Eye Pads. So you have eye mask in here. You might have found your perfect eye cream, but there are times when your skin will benefit from a weekly skincare bolt-on. When your under eye area needs extra attention, we recommend using eye mask as an instant solution to reduce the signs of fatigue and add a boost of hydration. The Skin Chemist Pro 5 Collagen Gold Eye Pads enhance your skin's natural radiance and promote the production of collagen, which is really nice. With the luxurious element of gold, the under eye area will appear firmer and visibly brighter. So you have 5 eye masks in here, which is really nice. Alright, here you have something from Maula. I believe that's how you say it. I know these are some of the brands that I haven't heard of before, and certain words that I haven't heard of before, so I'm hoping I'm pronouncing them right. It's called the Reawaken Himalayan Hand and Foot Scrub. With the brand ethos rooted in Indian rituals and heritage, Maruli, I believe that's how you say it, is an organic skincare brand that combines premium ingredients with humble integrity. Included in the gold edition is the Reawaken Himalayan Hand and Body Scrub. My tongue is kind of tied here. The perfect addition to your bathing routine. The ingredients are decadent, ranging from Himalayan salts to a fragrant and nourishing blend of oils, including argan, sweet almond, merengue, and coconut. As well as buffing away dead skin cells, the skin is revitalized and your senses reinvigorated. Oh my gosh, that does smell so good. I hope you can see it. It's kind of filled with oil and sea salt. But it does smell divine. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is not a full-size product. It is 3.2 ounce, but the full-size product, it is 12.3 ounce and it's $74.50. So it's only a quarter of the full size, but still, that is a pricey scrub. Alright, so I can't wait to try this scrub. Oh, very nice. There's one more thing in here, and I think it was just a free gift. And it's a mascara by Chantecaille. This is the Faux Cils mascara, which is really nice. I really do like this. The full size of this mascara I know costs somewhere in the $70 or $72 range. So that is a pricey mascara. But then again, this is a sample size. So this is nice to travel with. Alright, you guys, that is what's inside this Beauty Expert bag, the gold edition. That's worth $127, and you get products in here worth over $350. And you're getting really great products. I'll list everything down below that came in this bag and the price so you can see. And I'll also link the website where you can buy this bag if you're thinking about it. You know, if you like the products that you see in here and for the price, you know, it's always good to get a good deal. I really do like the bag itself. And look, I noticed that it has like little nubbies here on the bottom to protect the bag from collapsing. Oh, and also in this bag, I saw that it has a zipper. So an extra storage compartment in this big bag. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this unbagging. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.